Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School and Junior College, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this bridge course of 9th Standard Mathematics. Friends, today we are going to discuss with Unit Test 2. This test you have been already solved. For your practice, we are going to discuss on this. So friends, before going to start this test, you might have gone through all these instructions and the front page. On the front page, you have wrote State Council of Educational Research and Training, that is SCRT, Maharashtra, Bridge Course Test number 2. You wrote your school name, your own name, then standard 9. If division is there, you have to mention. Subject is mathematics and marks allotted is 15. And the time duration is 30 minutes. Before the start of this test, you might have read these instructions. First one, attempt all questions. Second, numbers to the right indicates full marks. Friends, after writing this, we are going to discuss with test paper, that is question number 1. Choose the correct alternatives answers for the following questions for 4 marks. So friends, here number 1, out of the following dash dash is a polynomial. Here 4 options are given A, B, C, D. Out of this, the polynomial is only the option B, that is x plus 2. Rest are not polynomials. Second, in a circle with a radius 5.2 centimeter, the length of the largest chord is dash dash centimeter. Friends, we know the length of the largest chord in a given circle is the diameter. So radius is 5.2. Naturally, the diameter is 10.4. So here the option is D, that is 10.4. We have to write. Next, question number 3. Every square is not. These 4 options are there: rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, and parallelogram. Out of this, trapezium is odd. Therefore, every square is not a trapezium is the answer. Next, question number 4. Friends, here measure of a semicircle is dash dash. We know that the measure of the circle is 360 degree. Semi means half of the circle. So half into 360, that is 180. So the option C is right. It is 180 degree. Now, question number 2. Solve. 3 marks, 1 mark each. It is there. So first one, add the following. You have to add these 2 brackets having the polynomials. So 2x square minus 3x plus 5 in one bracket plus 3x square plus 3x minus 5 in the other bracket. So friends, first of all, we'll write these 2 polynomials, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 in one bracket plus 3x square plus 3x minus 5 in the other bracket. Now we'll solve this bracket. We'll get 2x square minus 3x plus 5. This bracket is removed plus this bracket also removed. You're getting 3x square plus 3x minus 5. Now the similar terms we'll write together. So here 2x square plus 3x square. Here 2x square 3x square wrote with same color, similar terms. Now minus 3x and plus 3x at one place, plus 5 and minus 5 at one place. So minus 3x plus 3x, the result is 0, plus 5 minus 5, the result is 0. So next step will be 2x square plus 3x plus 0 plus 0. So add these two, 2x square plus 3x square, it is 5x square. 5x square plus 0 is 5x square itself. So the answer will write 5x square. Question number 2 now. Sub question, it is write the name of the minor arc with the center O from the following figure. Here a circle is drawn with center O. A, B, C are the 3 points on the circumference of the circle. And minor arc you have to write. Minor arc means whose measurement is less than 180. So friends, here you are getting different. Only one you have to write. And here you are getting 3 minor arcs. So those arcs are minor arc this AB, minor arc is this BC, and minor arc ABC. Out of these 3, one you have to write. Now next 3. In a rhombus ABCD, diagonals intersect each other at point P. Then find the measurement of angle APB. Friends, here the given quadrilateral is a rhombus, all sides are equal, and we know the property of the rhombus. Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Means these 2 diagonals are intersecting at right angle. Therefore, we can write that angle APB is right angle, means whose measure is 90 degree. Therefore, we will get measurement of angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Next, we will see question number 3. Solve. 8 marks are there. We will continue with the first problem of this question number 3. Construct a triangle ABC such that angle A is 60, measurement of angle B is 80, and length of AB is 4.8 centimeter. AB length is given from AB at point A and point B. We have to draw the different angles, that is A having 60 degree, B having 80 degree. So in order to construct a triangle, first of all we have to draw the segment AB, which is 4.8 centimeter. Then take the protractor, keep it at point A, and draw an angle of 60 degree, that is AC, and put now protractor at point B and make an angle of 80 degree. These rays down from point A and point B will intersect at point C. So the required triangle ABC is formed in this way. Try this. Problem number 2 now. Y is the center of the circle here, and the length of the chord is 8 centimeter. AB is 8 centimeter. Here OP is perpendicular to AB. OP, that is perpendicular, drawn from the center to the chord. It is perpendicular, and here length of OP is 3 given. Then you have to find out the radius of the circle. Friends, we'll join this OB. Therefore, there is a formation of triangle OPB. You could see in the adjoining figure. It is formed like this. This red colored OB, which is the radius, we have to find out. Here OPB is a right angle triangle. Here PB we don't know, that we can calculate. OP we know. This OB can be calculated. So friends, we know that in figure OP is perpendicular to AB and perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. Accordingly, we can write this BP is equal to half of AB. So half into 8, that will be 4. So BP we are getting here 4, and OP already we know, that is 3 centimeter. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OPB, this measurement of angle P is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can write the OB square is equal to OP square plus PB square by using Pythagoras theorem. PB or BP you can write, right? Now let's substitute the values. Therefore, OB square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. The square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16. So we can write here OB square is equal to 9 plus 16, which is 25. We have to calculate the value of OB taking square root on both sides. Whatever getting, OB is equal to 5 centimeter. So friends, we can write the radius of the circle is the 5 centimeter. Next, now we'll see problem number 3. Expand the following: m plus 2n bracket raised to square. This expansion that we already learned, that is, we know that a plus b bracket raised to square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First term plus second term bracket raised to square is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Like that, here what is given is a is replaced with m and b is replaced with 2n. Therefore, it can be written m plus 2n bracket raised to square. So first term square m square plus 2 into first term into second term 2 into m into 2n plus second term square 2n square. Now we'll again do the multiplication and write. Therefore, m plus 2n bracket raised to square is m square. This 2 into 2 is 4mn plus 2n bracket square, 2 square is 4n square, so 4n square. So friends, m plus 2n bracket complete raised to square is m square plus 4mn plus 4n square. Now see the problem number 4. Divide 2x square minus x minus 1 by x minus 1. This is a trinomial. It is divided with a binomial. This is similar to that of the numerical, but thing is only here some variables are used. It is a trinomial divided by this binomial. So friends, we will continue with this, that is 2x square minus x minus 1 is divided by x. It is now here with x minus 1 we have to do. First term is 2x square. Here 2x square we need, therefore this x is multiplied with 2x. 2x into x, that is 2x square. 2x into minus 1, that is minus 2x. Your sign will change. This is minus, this is plus, these two get cancelled. 2x square get cancelled. So what left is here plus 2x and it is minus x. The answer is x. And take 1 from this, minus 1, x minus 1. Now x minus 1 is here, at the divisor place, so we'll multiply this with 1. 1 multiplied by x minus 1, it is x minus 1 itself, so the remainder is 0. Therefore x minus 1 is the factor of this 2x square minus x minus 1. The here remainder is 0 and quotient is 2x plus 1. Like that we can do the division. Friends, I think you understood all the problems. Try to practice them once again and compare with your results. Thank you for watching this video.